India is the largest democracy in the world, home to over 1.2 billion people. It is projected to surpass China in 2025 as the world's most populous country. Comprising the bulk of the Indian subcontinent, the country is guarded in the north by the Himalayas, the Thar Desert in the west, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Bay of Bengal in the east. India's ancient customs continue to peacefully coexist with modern technology. The vastness of India's geographical expanse is complemented by its diversity in people, language, religion, and cultures. More than 50% of India's population is below the age of 25. The youth today are politically aware, assertive, and demanding immediate action towards better employment opportunities, battling price rise and corruption. Not afraid to express themselves, they are coming out in large numbers to support issues such as women's rights and pro-LGBT campaigns.
We should get 1,000 times better facilities if corruption was not there, black money.
Though increasingly independent and outgoing, the youth still needs to maintain a fine balance between tradition and modernity.
I like being with friends, roaming out and everything. Dad and mom have told me that reach by 9 at night, 9 or 9:15, not late than that. So then if sometimes there have been 1 or 2 incidents where I've reached late. So they will even scold me for that.
वो तो नेचुरली लड़की है तो उसके लिए लगेगा, लेकिन वो बोल के जाती है तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं, लेकिन देर रात तक तो हम लोग में अलाउड ही नहीं करते.
In the last 10 years, India's economy has grown to become the 10th largest in the world by nominal GDP and the 3rd largest by purchasing power parity. India's services sector has the largest share in the GDP, with half the world's IT services outsourced to Indian firms. The Indian Railways is the 4th largest rail network in the world and is the 7th largest commercial employer with over 1.6 million workers. A large number of people are moving from rural India to cities in search of better job opportunities and livelihood. By 2030, cities are expected to house 40% of India's population. As consumption grows, more than 100 million households will move up from the bottom to the middle of the pyramid. Despite this growth, India continues to face the challenges of poverty, corruption, malnutrition, and inadequate public health care.
Pollution obviously in Mumbai, and basically nowadays you can see as my building is under construction or something, so there is a lot of smoke that irritates me.
You don't want to look bad, no one wants to.
Right.
So that's why we use all these products. Okay. Like if I don't use serum or anything, my hair becomes really brown, ugly brown, okay, you can say. Okay. So that's like it would just spoil my look badly if I didn't use these products. Okay. Like for hair, they suggest not to use gel every day, to apply oil sometimes, so that hair doesn't become rough. Okay. Mom only suggested me to daily use Amway and not Garnier.
But I like to maintain myself and everything like that. I like to dress up and everything. I like clicking selfies a lot.
नहीं डांटती नहीं हूँ, लेकिन उसको समझाती हूँ कि कभी ये भी यूज़ करके देखो कुछ फ़ायदा होता है कि नहीं होता है.
Arranged marriages still represent the majority of marriages in India. Dating is still not an accepted norm and is considered to be against Indian family values and traditions.
वो हम लोग ने बोला है उसको लव मैरिज में भी हमारे ही कास्ट के हो गए तो चलेगा, लेकिन अदर कास्ट नो.
When children reach marriageable age, elders mobilize their social connections to find them a suitable match. Potential partners are screened for family background, religion, education, and professional qualifications. Some families even match horoscopes.
आज के ज़माने में तो 24-25 ही होना चाहिए, क्योंकि तब तक उनका पढ़ाई और जॉब तक लग जाते हैं, तो यही एज आ ही जाती है उन लोग का जनरली. मीन्स हम लोग में अभी हमारे जो रिलेटिव्स होते हैं तो उन लोग को हम बोलते हैं 23 ईयर्स हो जाते हैं, 23 रहता है तभी हम लोग बोल देते हैं अभी इसका सब हो गया, सेटल हो गया, अभी हम लोग शादी का देख रहे हैं अभी. तो वो लोग सजेस्ट करते हैं हमारे ये है फलाना है तो उसका है लड़का, आप लोग देख लो.
Matrimonial websites are also widely being used for matchmaking.
हाँ वो अच्छा है, क्योंकि आजकल कोई गारंटी देते नहीं है. लड़का लड़की के माँ बाप को सब पहचानते हैं, लेकिन लड़का लड़की को किसका गारंटी कोई भी नहीं देता है, तो उसके थ्रू अपन जा सकते हैं. और डर तो मन में रहता ही है कि नहीं अपने वो, लेकिन इतना श्योर है कि वो गलत रास्ते पे नहीं जाएगी, क्योंकि अपना जो घर का वो वातावरण है उसके हिसाब से अपने को श्योर रहता है कि वो गलत रास्ते पे नहीं जाएगी, उतना गारंटी है। लेकिन डर भी रहता है कि नहीं कभी फिसल जाएगी, कुछ ऐसा डर भी रहता है, लेकिन बाद में वो भी होता है नहीं ऐसा नहीं करेगी कुछ।
मैं एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हूँ। 10-11 के बजे के बाद घूमना एक कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है। अगर आप दिन भर भी बाहर रहते हो तो मैं आपको ना नहीं बोलती हूँ, तो आपको लेट नाइट बाहर रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ओकेजनली या कुछ कारण है तो बात अलग है, वरना मैं ना बोलती हूँ। लोगों की थिंकिंग ऐसी है, जो लेट नाइट घूमते हैं तो उनको या तो ड्रिंकिंग करनी है या वैसा कुछ है, इसलिए रात को घूम रहे हैं। ये कहीं भी जा रहा है ना, मेरे और मेरे हस्बैंड को सब पता होता है कि मेरा बेटा कहाँ है, क्या कर रहा है, एवरीथिंग।
Once the match is made, Indian weddings can be the perfect blend of tradition, values, grandeur, and fun to celebrate not just the union of two people, but the union of two families. The joint family system has prevailed in India for generations. After marriage, the woman moves into the husband's home and lives with his parents, grandparents, and siblings. The oldest male member in the family is the patriarch, who usually takes all the major family decisions. From a social standpoint, motherhood is an essential milestone in a married woman's life. Even today, bearing a male child is preferred among most to ensure that their family lineage is carried forward.
I live with my in-laws, my father-in-law and mother-in-law, and me and my husband, and the new member, Kian Rathod.
ये मालिश से देखने जाओ तो बेटर है, उससे शरीर की कसरत होती है।
Like if they do something to the nose, so it's sort of they make your nose drop up, and when they do it to the over here, the cheeks, so वैसे घिसते हैं तो उससे cheeks का मतलब अगर ज़्यादा plumpy हो तो cheek के अंदर जाते हैं, किसी का अगर बहुत चट्टू हो तो ऐसे। It's a form of like they giving a form to the body. Right. Obviously, dua we get the knowledge from my parents only. I had my delivery at my mom's place, so she started. Yeah, first 1 month. After 1 month, she started dua because his skin was all coming out. So when he got settled with his skin, we used to give him dua once a week, and the baby sleeps very soundly. Dua we don't do every day. And if he is having any cold or anything, just the way you take steam, it's a sort of steam to the baby. I either use diaper or nappy pad. You swaddle them. So they sleep well also.
Thing is that I have a sweet mother-in-law. She takes care a lot. I have the younger who is your brother-in-law. Even he takes care a lot. There are many things you have to avoid. Many things you have to have it. And now doctors are like, you be bold and bindas. But घर वाले रहते हैं, so you can't do that. And I think they are the right. Even they are right, even the doctors are right. I follow both. I still prefer making home. Though I am very mod, I know what is the world. But thing for baby, I'm more considered. So it's like घर पे बनाई हुई चीज़. It's pure and it's healthy for the baby. I do everything what is in old generation. I follow with the doctor also. Both has to be balanced in a time, you know. This even it depends on the mother's feed कि उसको कितना लगता है body पे. Some babies are over healthy, some are medium, some are very less. Even compared to my baby only, I'm saying we in the building, this up one is over healthy. I like my baby. Obviously, everyone loves their baby, but my baby is like ना you healthy है ना he's thin. This is a proper with the fit. And now he's growing with the height and this everything. He will reduce obviously, and teeth comes. He has to reduce, you know. Now the weather has changed. There's a lot of cold. The elder one तो फिर भी manageable है, and the younger one is still 8 months. He's having a lot of cough, cold. So I have to like take care of him a lot. Windows, doors, we cannot make open. Or because quickly they get infections, you know. Virus हो जाता उनको. Viral. This is viral kind of thing. It catches cold, cough. See, if you don't take him, if he's not, you know, educate all those things, then again he'll become a delicate darling.
With urbanization and an increasing number of women joining the workforce, younger generations are moving towards a nuclear family setup for want of more personal space. Based on a recent study, Indian women, especially working women, are the most stressed in the world today. The challenge for Indian women is to strike a balance between work, managing their family, and raising their children. Another interesting thing about Indian culture is that Indians are generally very warm and hospitable. This tradition of hospitality comes from a code of conduct, Atithi Devo Bhava, derived from ancient Hindu scriptures. This translates to, be one for whom the guest is God. It is customary to offer tea or coffee to guests who visit your home. India is characterized by a diversity of religious beliefs and practices, and is the birthplace of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. It is also home to the third largest Muslim population in the world. Festivals are at the heart of people's lives and are celebrated throughout the country with great spirit and devotion. Indian cuisine varies greatly from one part of the country to the other. India produces more movies annually than any other country in the world. Bollywood is the second largest film industry after Hollywood. Hockey is the national sport of India, but cricket is a religion. Cricketers acquire godlike status. During a match, life almost comes to a standstill with everyone glued to their television sets. Online shopping has transformed the way modern India shops and trades. India's e-commerce market stood at $16 billion in 2013 and is estimated to reach $56 billion by 2023. India personifies diversity. While differences can be seen every 100 kilometers, a common historical and cultural heritage binds this Bollywood and cricket-loving nation. Young and informed Indians are leading an emerging middle class, embracing opportunities that a growing economy has to offer. At the same time, they need to be mindful of the ways of their parents, finally balancing tradition with modern aspirations. Traditional gender roles continue to play out in marriages and family structures, even though women have started entering the workforce in large numbers. As India moves towards urbanization and technological growth, economic and social class differences continue to present a challenge. Standing on the cusp of major change, India is today treading a path of tradition versus modernity while attempting to resolve its dichotomy of the old versus the new.